Hi, it's Marcel with Guaranteed Rate, and I wanted to share with you a story of a home buyer that actually went out this past weekend, and their day started off perfectly and ended up being pretty horrible. And I just wanted to kind of go through some of the details of that with you to kind of share exactly what happened. So it actually was on Sunday, and the day started off like most days in going out house hunting with a realtor. They met at the realtor's office, they sat down, talked about some of the specifics that they were looking for. They were looking for a 4-car garage. They were looking for a 4-bedroom home. It had to have a sunroom, which was going to be a little tricky, and they wanted not just a good deal, but a great deal on a property. So they knew up front it was going to be a little difficult to find exactly what they were looking for, but the realtor did an incredible job in actually searching some of the properties that were available. They ended up finding exactly what they were looking for. It was perfect. It was that home with a 4-car garage. It had a sunroom, and not just was it a good deal, it was truly a great deal. Literally, this home looked like it was going to be $25,000 under market. So everything was perfect. The problem is when they ended up writing up the offer letter and sending it over to the listing agent, at that point the buyer had been giving some pushback on getting pre-approved. They knew that their credit was good and didn't really have any concerns. However, the seller, obviously knowing the market, had the house priced pretty well. Obviously, it was a great deal, and they ended up getting multiple offers, and that home went under contract on Sunday evening before the buyer actually had the chance to go through the pre-approval process. Now, the pre-approval process is pretty easy. It takes about 15 minutes or so, and it comes without obligation. There's not a risk to paying money. There's no upfront fees, consultation fees, application fees, or anything like that. But if you're trying to make sure that you don't have a perfect day to where you find that perfect property, you know, the one that's exactly what you're looking for, just to lose out to someone else who also may be looking for that perfect property, go through the process and get pre-approved first. It doesn't take long. There's not an obligation. And if you do find that one-of-a-kind home, the one with the 4-car garage, sunroom, and a great deal, you'll be able to act on that. So if I can answer any questions, please let me know. I'd love to be a resource. Best number is 972-672-3246, and I hope this doesn't happen to you. Thanks.